Funky D, welcome back. Yes, we are going to talk about this man they call Buhari once again, the one inside a Sorok. Because the information and disinformation minister and the minister of culture, when Bilal Muhammad, the man don't come out today, can't talk, say Buhari himself, say the man not get any coro. Say because the man don't test negative. Say the only person when test positive now the Abakari, but the president himself, according to the way when they call him, say the man not carry the thing for body. A lot of newspapers, a lot of people don't come out, come they claim, say the man carry the thing because they see the man they cough up and down. I don't know where they see the man, but now so that they talk. I don't know how that they go take see the man. Because but the information they pass everywhere. Because I know now say in a digital era we did. So some underground journalists, they see him. They claim, whether they claim, say the man carry that thing and say they cough. Me, I not feel ascertain it. I not feel say na true or na wayo. But now waiting that we they read and we they see all the time. But if somebody like La Muhammad or anybody from APC, they come out, they claim, say the man tested negative and his vice president tested negative, according to the way one of the put and say, or say Manjona, the vice president. If I talk, say, wait, because, you know, if you want to prove, say, you they innocent, or, you know, or waiting people they talk, say, nah, it not make sense, or say the thing when people they talk, say, now, why you, it is very, very easy to prove it. We don't even need somebody like the disinformation minister when be La Muhammad, when they paddle fake news every now and then to come out to the 10 Nigerian people say, now, why you think when then they talk? Even you say, we not believe waiting that they talk, or we believe waiting that they talk. La Muhammad not supposed to come out and they tell us. Because the man when they accuse, when be the JUBRIL from Sudan, aka the Buhari, is supposed to come out himself boldly. Because this one not be the one when they tell us say it not be Buhari, he run go that country, where they call that country, Poland. That one na Asorok, Poland. Because all those is when they do that time, then doctor all those videos when the man take claim say no clone am. You know, I remember when he say it not be clone, say na be Buhari. Even though say na true, na still the same thing when he go counter the word say then it not be clone. He no go accept say na clone, you know? To still hold that power, to still they do that thing when they do for Abakari them. You no go agree say in don't die. Because normally all of us know say somebody when don't go, it don't go be that. So you no go agree say na him when don't die, na him still come or say then clone him or they not clone him. Whereas not be cloned, then they tell him that time. Then they tell him say in na body double. But in go Poland, according to what in that video they tell us. But we know say that video now inside that same Asorok when they do that thing what they do. So because you know as seen no fit come out Nigeria can't deny when they deny in Poland. That they are claiming Poland where they saying go. Now Asorok they do that thing. And nobody believe them in that thing. Again, or like I said before, if the man they claim say, when be the La Muhammad, they claim say Buhari not the cough, or Buhari or JUBRIL, whoever they there not the cough, and then not get that thing. It is very simple for the man himself because in the hear waiting people they talk. It is very, very easy for him to just come out right now. Now the challenge, where they challenge that La Muhammad and the same JUBRIL be that. Easy for you to come out in public and address Nigerian people on this coronavirus because you never address anybody. You still never address nobody. Then they take 1 second and that video na still doctored video. When they take come out say COVID-19, that one is still doctored video. That one not be any addressing of anything. That one not be anything at all to nobody. So it is easy for the man to just come out and speak so that they go see whether I get the thing when people they deny for him again now. All those people won't be their propaganda like this La Muhammad. In they deny for the president, but the president himself they alive as we talk. The man supposed come out now and speak like at least we not they talk 1 hour again now, or let's say 45 minutes. Just come out like 45 minutes, address Nigerian people on this because now you don't see now say your own chief of staff carry the thing. You not still come out come address the thing. This is why everybody they believe say everything when they go on in Aso Rock there, now fraud. This is why people they believe say people when they that place, all of them are impostors. 99.9% of people when they walk in Aso Rock there, all of them are impostors. Check out the Abakari himself. We don't they see 2 different picture of Abakari. One when ink old well. When it don't dry, all the neck don't dry well. Another one the new picture now when then they fly up and down because they won't make it come out, come begin take over Nigeria from 2023. Already Nahinde on board now. They didn't want to still continue. He get one old one when they. I don't send that picture to the public before. And I go send the same picture again so that people go judge. This person, is it the same person? One is older than one. I keep on wondering, as I speak, I see they look this picture. This person, is it the same person? And the one didn't get mark for face. The one did not get mark for face. Oh, that one is old, well. The other one, the man is young. So you go begin to wonder which kind of conspiracy did that country call Nigeria. So to the Minister of Disinformation when be La Muhammad, make you come out, come tell your man, say make him come out at least 45 minutes, make him take address Nigerian people. Make them see whether he get the thing. Because you don't deny for them now. Say, waiting some journalists they talk, say, now why you? Say, then they paddle fake news. So, if you feel say now fake news, bring this man come out, at least make a talk. Already, we don't hear say they don't carry some ventilators from Gwagwalada, go inside Aso Rock, where they keep the man, so that the man go to feed the breathe. Even last time when I say this group of men, like Boss Mustafa, the same La Muhammad and some group of people, they enter Soro, go see Abakari. But as I come out, they can't claim say no be Abakari, they go see. So, I not just understand the whole coming out to deny, waiting people don't see, say the man they cough everywhere. Not be only one newspaper don't carry them. Different newspapers don't carry them. Then, this man, when be the same La Muhammad, they can't they deny, they still propagate for JUBRIL. So if you feel say the thing when the newspaper people write, say, or the thing when a journalist then they call them. If you feel say waiting the journalist people see or waiting them right, say it not make sense to you, or say then they paddle while you or they paddle fake news to Nigerian people, you just go there, tell the man, make him come and come address Nigerian people. Because since when this thing starts, all the whole world leaders now every day by day, some they come out 3 times to address their nation. Some they come out 2 times, they address their nation as president where they be. Why it come be now only Nigeria? Their own thing they different all the time. All the time, everything in Nigeria is different to any other part of the world, including Ghana. Because you can't compare Nigerian presidency with the Ghanaian presidency. You can't compare it. You can't compare the enormous progress when Ghana people they get to Nigeria. When we say with the claim saying that we be the giant of Africa. In fact, now we be the giant of Africa as in poverty level. In fact, now we be the giant of the whole world as in poverty level. Because now Nigeria carry #1 mantle as one of the poorest country in the world. But the whole resources in the world, they there. So, if you una the claim say the man not get koro, make him come out, come address Nigerian people. Not be by coming to write to tell people say, you know, the man when they talk say in the cough every now and then. In the there. Not be say travel abroad. He did sit down there. According to the way when they claim and say no carry, and I be say in the healthy, is supposed to come out and address the nation. If now some other countries, when such a thing happen, when the country say their chief of staff carry this, now the president will come and confess, knock the story for granted for everybody, so that the world will know, say, ah, this man is sick under me. Okay, look at the kind of sickness when he gets. But everything they want to hide. Everything they want to hide because they won't continue from 2023. So, make the man come out, come address Nigerian people. So that we go know, say, you know, carry COVID-19 according to him. Can you imagine the way when the man come address the nation? When I just see him, where then they fly the video up and down, say the man, a seconds, you know, even a seconds, this man don't, just go. Can you imagine the level of fraud? So you, when they come out, they deny, because you don't come out now, can't deny again now, say, waiting journalists, they talk, maybe they carry fake news. So, for you to clarify everybody saying that fake news, or to prove saying that fake news when the journalists then they carry, make the president come out. It's a very simple thing to come and speak to Nigerian people. Or to come speak to the journalists them. You know. So, again, then one news they tell us, say, Atiku Abubakar pledged 50 million naira. I mean, when they want to begin fight the coronavirus. Just see, make I put them out. And again, in content, and say, make them use one center where they use for cancer before. Make them use that place as an isolation center in Abuja. Now, same Atiku Abubakar. So, I don't tell Muhammad the message when I get for him today. Oh, making you know, this will not be the time when you go come and come talk or say this and that, because the whole world don't already know who now be. This will not be the time when you come and come they deny something when everybody don't see. For not they say na true or na lie, but the people when right and when them be journalists them in Nigeria, newspapers don't carry them. In fact, this morning when I woke up, now my friend, one of my friends, I sent them to me. I don't see them in different newspapers yesterday. My friend sent them on WhatsApp to me this morning. As I woke up, as I see some WhatsApp messages, I can't say back, I just tap them. I tap them now about the Buhari'S, you know, Buhari coughing everywhere. That's the first thing when I see this morning. So the thing they everywhere. If you say na lie, make the man come out. The man they hear where the word they talk am. Now so president them then they act. Get it? So make you come out so that the world gonna see you not carry the disease. Because the reason why people they talk say the man must be, even Obasanjo them don't talk him. So waiting long when they come out, they come talk. Not be even journalists, all but many people don't talk him. Omukri self don't use and laugh at them when I know Omukri now. Ted Buhari say must cough out the 11 point something billion when they don't budget for Abuja. As in the cough, making cough out, making just continue to the cough. So then go cough out the money when him with Abba Kyari them carry 11 point something billion when them budget when they want to build hospital. So Omukri talking today say man Buhari must to cough out the money since now when you don't hear say Buhari they cough. They cough everywhere. So the news there everywhere. So for the man to prove say he not a cough or he not get the thing, make him just come out. That's all. Very simple. Bye everybody. I'll see you guys next time.